Soumya.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so our Soumya is having some confusion in subtraction with borrowing. Subtraction without borrowing, you're able to do it very nicely, but with borrowing is a confusion. So I'll explain you, listen to me carefully now. See, I have given two large numbers on the board. First thing, you have to arrange them in columns, okay, without making any mistake. See, now first you arrange, take down this number 6, 1, 7, 5, 4, 3. Okay, you noted it. Okay, now the second number, start writing it from the right side to avoid any confusion. Okay, 8, 5, 8, 9, 2. Okay, because it is one digit less, right? If you start writing from here, you may make some mistake. That's the reason I told you to arrange it from right. Okay, now this is what you have to solve, subtraction with borrowing. Okay, so the number at the top is called what? Minuend. Okay, and the number at the bottom, this one is called what? Subtrahend. Now you have to find the difference. Okay, see, now this number, always start solving it from the right side. From which side? Right side. Okay, now 3 minus 8, can you do this? 3 छोटा है, 8 बड़ा है, you cannot subtract. So what you will do? थोड़ा सा उधार लेना है. Okay, you will borrow. What you will do? You will borrow 1 from the neighbor. So this 3 will become 13 and this 4 will become 3 because it donated 1 here. Now from 13, if you minus 8, how much it will be? 5. Yes. Okay, now 3. From 3, can you minus 5? No, because 3 is smaller. So again you will borrow. So this 3 will become 13 and this 5 will be what? 4. From 13, if you minus 5, how much it will be? From 13, if you minus 5, it will be how much? 8. Okay. Then what is this? 4. From 4, can you subtract 8? No, not possible. So you will borrow again. Okay. So this 4 will become 14 and this will be 6 because you donated 1 here. Okay. Now 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. Okay. Then from 6, can you subtract 9? No, because 6 is smaller, 9 is bigger. So again you will borrow. Yes, 6 will become 16, 1 will become 0. Okay, so from 16, if you minus 9, how much will remain? 7. Okay, now this is 0. From 0, can you subtract 2? No. So again you will borrow 1. This 0 will become 10 and this will become 5. From 10, if you subtract 2, how much will remain? 8. Very good. 5. Anything is there here? Nothing. So this 5 you will write as it is. So this is our answer. Okay, so this is called minuend, this is called subtrahend, and your answer is called difference. Did you understand, kids? So this is how you will do subtraction with borrowing. Okay, see, you cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, so you will borrow. थोड़ा सा उधार लेना पड़ेगा पड़ोसी से और उसको बड़ा बनाना पड़ेगा, then you can